If you want to change the lock screen PIN code on a Samsung phone, so first of all, open up your settings. After that, we're gonna scroll down to our lock screen section. Here it is. Choose it. Alright, after that, we're gonna find our screen lock type option. It's right at the top. So before processing, you will be prompted to enter your current PIN. Do this and press next. Alright, now you can choose between swipe to disable your security, pattern, PIN, and password. So choose whatever you want to use and what you prefer. I prefer pins, so let's choose PIN. And now we have to enter a new PIN, right? So let's do this. Create something that would be hard enough, but that you won't forget it. Press continue. Now enter your PIN once again. And basically that's it. Now the next time you're gonna lock your screen and when you'll try to unlock it, you'll have to enter your new updated PIN. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.